This old guy DIY video has to do with dismounting a rear tire from a lawnmower. I have a plan to take these lawnmower tires and put them on a 3/4 inch shaft with some pillow blocks and make a little trailer out of these things. But all I'm going to do today is dismount this one tire. This is a Harbor Freight tire changer that I recently got, and you can see based on the diameter of this thing I can't use it to actually dismount the tire completely. All I'm going to do today is use the bead breaker. But to get started, just use the valve stem tool. Come in here and take the valve stem off, and then once the valve stem is off, I'll go ahead and line this thing up with the bead breaker and see how easy it is to break that bead. When I bought these tires, this one came with a screw in the sidewall, so I'll remove that, and then I'm going to put an inner tube in both of these tires. So I moved this little pin to the third of the 3 holes here, so it's about the right spot for that tire location. You can see I'm just using my foot to push it. Now I'm going to use this bar and just push down and see what it does. It was that easy. Tire is dismounted. So thank you, Harbor Freight. I've ordered a couple of inner tubes that should be here in a few days. So all I have to do now is just take a little clipper, I cut the valve stem off, retrieve the back of the valve stem, and then when the inner tubes come, I just kind of push down here, tuck the inner tube in, put the valve stem through the hole, grab that with a vice grip, and then I can reassemble the tire. So there's no need to take the tire off the rim on the other side. As I was cutting the valve stem off with a little side cutter, I just used this little guy, but I just reached down and put my fingers in behind so I could catch the back part of the valve stem when it came out, and I wouldn't have to fish around in the tire for it. So here's the Pittsburgh portable tire changer, and there's the part number if you're interested.